Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make truffle cake with whipped cream. First, combine your dry ingredients like 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Then, in a separate bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 2 cups of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add 4 large eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Once your batter is ready, pour it into the prepared 9-inch pan and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. While the cake cools, let's prepare the rich chocolate ganache. Heat 1 cup of heavy cream until simmering, then pour it over 8 ounces of finely chopped dark chocolate. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then stir until smooth and glossy. Now let's create the light and airy whipped cream. For best results, chill your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Pour 2 cups of very cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl, along with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whip on high speed until beautiful soft peaks form. Finally, it's time to assemble your magnificent truffle cake. Carefully slice your cooled cake into 2 or 3 even layers using a serrated knife. Spread a generous layer of the cooled ganache between each cake layer. Then, frost the entire cake with the remaining ganache and decorate with your freshly whipped cream for a truly decadent finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.